If you want to try one of the most powerful SEO tools without paying upfront, this might be exactly what you need. In this video, I will show you how to get the Semrush One free trial and whether it's worth it. Welcome to SEO and Digital Tech Hub, where I share the best SEO tools, web hosting, and online business software to help you grow your business faster. What is Semrush One? Semrush One is a platform that unifies traditional SEO tools and AI feasibility toolkit together. It's a complete toolkit to help you rank higher on Google and get started across AI platforms to grow your brand. Now, here is the good part. Semrush offers a free trial for Semrush One, which gives you full access to its premium feature for a limited time. During this time, you can find profitable keywords, analyze your competitions, audit your site for SEO issues and how to fix it, track your ranking in real time, see which AI model sets your brand, and much more. It is the best way to test the tools before committing to the paid plan. So how to get your free trials, how to get Semrush free trial. The first step is to click the link below this video and open to this page. At the top of this page, you see where it says try it for free. Click on it, then sign up for an account. Then switch to the Semrush One starter plan. This is the affordable plan that have enough data and insights to grow your business. Then activate your free trial. That is it. If you are serious about SEO and want your website mentioned across AI platform, then Semrush One is absolutely worth it. So click the link below to start your Semrush One free trial. Semrush is one of the best SEO tools that combine with AI feasibility toolkit that help you to discover in AI model and also rank higher in Google and other SaaS engine. It's the best tool, all-in-one marketing tools that can help you to grow your website and attract more customers. So if your business depends on organic traffic and want to share from the AI traffic, then this is an opportunity for you to start your Semrush One free trial. Don't forget, click the link below this video to get started. Wish you the best of luck. I will also be posting more videos on Semrush AI tools to help you discover how you can optimize your content for AI driven discovery. Wish you the best of luck. Thank you for watching.